Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will teach you about Oceanland. First, please notice the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, now let's dive right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need will be down in the description. Alright, so in this video we'll be talking about Oceanland. So first, it's important to talk a little bit about what is Oceanland. So Oceanland is a play-to-earn blockchain game that combines crypto economics with the gaming world. And players can earn income by gathering resources required for the main character. And Oceanland brings different aspects of blockchain technology together by merging several crypto assets with DeFi and NFTs. And we're going to talk about all of that in this video. So basically, if you want to get started with Oceanland, the only thing you have to do is you have to click on the top right, play and earn. And again, all the links you will need will be down in the description. So when you first want to play Oceanland, what you can do is you can actually sign up with your email and start playing it for free at this point of time. So then you first have to sign up. You have to activate your account, and then later you can actually also link your MetaMask account with the account you made with your email on Oceanland. You can link them up together, and that way you can actually exchange the funds from Oceanland to your MetaMask wallet. But once you've made an account and if you logged in, you can actually get to this screen right here. And here you can see the game. So you can see all of the resources, water, food, wood and metal, and with all of those resources you can actually craft things. Alright, so here you can see some of the things you can craft for water, to gain water, some of the things you can craft to gain food, some of the things you can craft to gain wood, and some of the things you can craft to gain metal. And here on the left menu you can see crafting, so things you can craft, your inventory, so things you already have and you start with a crude coconut shell. Mining, there you actually gain a free NFT to start. And with this NFT, you can already start earning water as a resource right here. And that water on the exchange, again on the left, can be exchanged for O water tokens. And that O water or O food, O wood or O metal then can be exchanged on Oceanland's own DeFi platform for O land, the token of the Oceanland game. So if you click on the left right here, the DeFi platform, that will bring you to defi.oceanland.io. And again, all the links will be down in the description. And here you can actually find a marketplace to trade all of these NFTs, like the hammer, which you can craft, other things you can craft, but also some boosters. You can swap, as I said. So for example, O food for O land to actually gain the token of the Oceanland game. But apart from that, you can also stake, pool and farm your O land tokens to gain crazy percentages on it. Apart from that, you can also buy some boosters here on the DeFi platform, which will allow you to gain more passive income or more income by playing Oceanland. So as I said earlier, and a little bit more about the mechanics within the game, the NFTs, like we just saw in the marketplace, but also in the game itself, can be obtained through crafting, trading and staking. And you can also upgrade your crafted lowest level NFTs. And later on, NFT minting by swapping, staking and farming several other tokens will also be available. So more about the NFTs upgrading, which is important to know too. The process of converting NFTs to a more productive version is called upgrading. And in order for the players to upgrade an NFT tool, they must have a ticket of the higher level NFT tool, the NFT tool to be upgraded, so the base version, and the necessary resources. At this point of time, Oceanland also has an amazing referral program. So basically what that allows you to do is that you can earn up to 25% commission every time your friend withdraws on Oceanland. And there's no limit to how many friends you can invite. And the more you invite, the more passive income you'll earn. And again, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need will be down in the description. So how to actually get your referral link is you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. As I said, you can first sign up with your email and then connect your MetaMask wallet to Oceanland. Then click settings. Here you will have the referral link. And if they use that link, you can actually earn passive income by them playing the game. And if you want to read more about that, you can find that in the article of Oceanland on medium.com. Again, all the links will be down in the description. So something that is perhaps good to know too is that Oceanland, or O-Land, that's the abbreviation, is already listed on some major exchanges and CoinMarketCap. As you can see, throughout the last month, it has also seen some amazing gains and the volume regularly crosses that 1 million mark. But as you can see on market, it's already listed on Huobi and some of the major decentralized exchanges. And soon it will be listed on 2 of the top 7 exchanges too. So basically with Oceanland within the game, what you can do is you can buy NFTs, you can upgrade those NFTs and use those NFTs to gain resources, With those resources you can earn tokens, and with those tokens you can gain Oland, which can be exchanged for money. But something that is very useful to know, and something that Oceanland has actually created, is you can actually check out on ROI, return on investment.oceanland.io. You can find out with everything you can craft what the APR and the ROI actually is if you purchase that, including the craft cost. And this also shows you the craft cost, the ROI, as I said, the APR, which is amazing to see, and the ticket chance. And again, those tickets you need to actually upgrade your tools. And here on the top you can also see the conversion rate of your resources to Oland and Oland to USDT. So one of the most important things for games in the blockchain industry right now is to actually keep the economy healthy. And Oceanland does a great job at this for 4 different reasons. And I just wanted to talk about 2 of the main reasons how they actually achieve this. So the first one being, and we talked about that a little bit earlier too, is their ticket system. So basically that you need tickets to actually upgrade your tools. So what that means is that players won't be able to craft the NFT tools exponentially, since they will need tickets when crafting, and thus this won't create a supply access. And again, on that website we just visited, roi.oceanland.io, you could see that the ticket chances are actually quite low. So therefore you limit the way you can upgrade your NFT tools, and therefore you limit the way you can earn more resources and Oland. Apart from that, they also introduced limited tool life, alright? So I think that's quite obvious, but basically when the durability of a tool hits 0, the tool breaks, and the craft costs, with the exception of tickets, are returned to the player. And again, there the ticket system comes in, because again you need those tickets, and the scarcity of those tickets allow the economy of Oceanland to actually stay healthy. So 2 more mechanics you can read again on medium.com, oceanland.medium.com, but again all the links will be down in the description. But in the end, it is great that Oceanland is thinking about the economy and actually keeping the game up, because the economy is the most important thing for Oceanland at this point in time. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We talked about Oceanland, about the game itself, its DeFi platform, but also some important things to know, such as the economy, its coin listings, its referral program, and some useful tools they have created. So now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments about questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel. Bye.